Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your Apple ID email and a recovery phone are current so you can regain access if locked out. Once done, update your devices to the latest iOS or Mac OS and turn on automatic updates to close known vulnerabilities. Next, enable two-factor authentication in settings. This prevents password-only takeover. You do these steps first because they immediately harden account recovery and entry points, and they reduce the risk of unauthorized access while you now lock down what iCloud stores and who can get in. Go to iCloud settings and disable sync for apps you don't need backed up so less data is exposed. Then change to a strong, unique Apple ID password. Use a password manager to generate and store it securely. This prevents reuse attacks. Make sure you add account recovery contacts and enable additional privacy options like health data protection, so sensitive records remain encrypted and only accessible by you. Finish by enabling Find My and Activation Lock across your devices so lost hardware can't be reused without your credentials. Then audit trusted devices in your Apple ID settings and remove any you don't recognize. Sign out of suspicious sessions to cut off access. Review privacy and app permissions one more time. If something goes wrong and you get locked out, use your recovery key or contact recovery people you set up. If that fails, contact Apple support while having proof of identity ready.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.